So I'm going to discuss few of the features that we are provided with Leetcode premium subscription. So I began on this journey to understand about SQL since my job involved a lot of SQL usage. So I had in my mind to always buy the Leetcode's premium subscription. So when you go on to the problem set and you see the study parts, there are a few ones that come across. The one being the basic SQL of 50 set of questions and the advanced one, which improves the level of difficulty of these above questions. So the Leetcode SQL 50 questions I basically started on a few days back, and this in my view is one of the best resource to practice. It's the best practice platform for SQL. Basically, HackerRank is also the one that provides you with this similar kind of interface and similar set of questions. But when you talk about Leetcode, the problems are such designed that you don't find errors or syntactical errors or schematic errors while you submit your problems. So once you are done with the basic and the advanced ones of SQL questions, this one right here and this one, I don't think there is much left to do if you are aiming for software devs or data engineering roles with less than 2.5 years. This is more than sufficient. While if you want to stretch your imagination, you definitely have a lot of questions at your disposal. If you scroll down this section, you can dive deep into numerous questions based on the level of difficulties which are asked in companies, the top tier ones. That does the job immensely well if you want to aim at product companies for some data roles. Also, I started on with this journey and I solved approximately, let's just see, what did I do? Yeah, so I did solve 32 odd questions on databases, and that improved my level of understanding about what I could do on databases. But to reach up till here, I had to find out a few resources which I'm going to share with you. The prominent one being W3 Schools, but let's just say it just gives you a syntax and nothing more than that. So if you are a newbie or a novice, this will be the first starting point. You go on till the basic section all the way till operators. That would be enough. SQL database is setting for databases, which is providing schema and basic structure of a database table, while this talks about the different queries that you use to manipulate the data inside a database or a table. So covering up till here would be more than sufficient, and then you can always go on to the next website, which is data.world. Now this website, I don't know who made this, but definitely the ones who have practiced their concepts with the playground given in this problem-based platform, it just solves a lot of our problems in understanding what this data actually do behind the scenes and how to make relevance out of it. So while you write queries, they are basically executed on a data set, and that gives you a lot of insight into how things actually go under the hood. So this website data.world is a life savior. So if given a chance, you can take your time to study from both these resources, and then you have the basic Leetcode section where you can always find out about the basic and the advanced SQL questions. That's it from my side. Hope you find this video interesting. Thank you. See you again.